Hello everyone, in this video you're going to see about air pollution. First, what is pollution? Pollution is an introduction of harmful materials in the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They are also created by human activities such as trash or runoff produced by factories. The major types of pollution include air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, light pollution, and noise pollution. Let's see about the air pollution in this video. It refers to the release of pollutants in the air pollutants, which are destroyed to human health and the planet as a whole. According to the World Health Organization, each year air pollution is responsible for nearly 70 million deaths around the globe. 9 out of 10 human beings currently breathe air that exceeds the WHO guidelines or limit for pollutants, with those living in low and middle income countries suffering the most. In the USA, the Clean Air established in 1917 authorized the US Environment Protection Agency to safeguard public health. Most of the world population will be subject to degraded air quality in 2050 if human-made emissions continue as current trends. The OECD believes that air pollution will become a bigger global killer than a dirty water, such as is encouraging a faster change. If air pollution is not controlled by 2030, the air will become so poisonous that will be necessary to use an oxygen kit to breathe easily. Rising air pollution will also lead to premature aging. Who is at risk from air pollution? The most at risk of health problems related to air pollution: people with lung diseases such as asthma and chronic diseases, infant and younger children, people who work or exercise outdoors, adults over 65, people with cardiovascular diseases, people in poverty, and people who lack access to health care, and people who smoke or exposed to second-hand smoke, people who work in occupation where there is a high exposure to contaminated air, people who spend a lot of time near busy roadways. It increases the risk of respiratory infection, heart diseases, and lung cancer. Let's see what are the main causes. Air pollution not only causes environmental hazard but important health problem as well. Long-term exposure to polluted air often resulted in respiratory illness such as asthma and TB. Sometimes it can also lead to the development of cancer. While air pollution cannot always be seen, pungent smelling chemicals such as hydrogen sulfide or ammonium may alert you to is present. The main cause of air pollution can be categorized by sources: mobile car, bus, truck and trains, etc. It defined as the contamination of the physical biological components of the atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are deeply affected. Some of the key issues are global warming, overpopulation, ozone acidification, loss of biodiversity, desertification, deforestation, ozone layer depletion. The biggest environmental problems are climate change, water crisis, air and water pollution, natural resources drain. The examples of environmental pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. How to protect yourself from unhealthy air? Check daily air pollution forecast in your area. The color and coded forecast can let you know what the air is unhealthy in your community. Sources include local radio and TV weather report, newspaper, and online at airnow.government. Avoid exercising outdoor when pollution levels are high. When the air is bad, walk indoor in a shopping mall or gym or use an exercise machine. Limit the amount of time your child spends playing outdoor if the air quality is unhealthy. Always avoid exercising near high traffic areas even when air quality forecasts are green. The vehicles on busy highways can create high pollution level up to 1/3 a mile away. So these are the some of the ways that you can protect yourself from this unhealthy air. Educate your fellow mates and let them know about the effort and causes, and raise awareness to all. I hope I made it clear. Thank you for watching my video.